Here, welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my student, बताओ अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मरहबा, सवाल खैर. How private, my students, today we are going to view the adverbs of quantity. Adverbs of quantity, मिकदारी मुतल्लिक अफ़ाल, मिकदार से जो मुतल्लिक होते हैं, जो चीज़ों की क्वांटिटी, लेस, मोर के बारे में बताते हैं. अबाउट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ थिंग्स, द वर्ड्स दैट टेल अस अबाउट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ थिंग्स आर कॉल्ड adverbs of quantity. Words that tell us about the quantity of things are called adverbs of quality. वो अल्फाज जो हमें चीज़ों के मिक़दार के बारे में हमें आगाह करें, उन्हें हम मिक़दारी मुतल्लिक अफ़ाल कहलाते हैं. वो मिक़दारी मुतल्लिक अफ़ाल कहलाते हैं. Let's start today's lesson on whiteboard behind. Here you are, my students. The first, you say that adverbs of quantity, मिक़दारी मुतल्लिक अफ़ाल, उर्दू में इनका तर्जुमा होगा मिक़दारी मुतल्लिक अफ़ाल. Adverbs of quantity. Quantity means weight, वज़न, and less or more, so much or less quantity. So first you see that first adverb of quantity is enough. Enough. This is pronounced enough. 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 इसके माने होते हैं काफ़ी. काफ़ी according to the requirement. According to the requirements. Enough. Enough means काफ़ी according to the requirements. So the sentence is they have enough fruits. They have enough fruits. They have enough fruits. They have enough fruits. उनके पास काफ़ी फल हैं. They have enough fruits. They have enough fruits. उनके पास काफ़ी फल हैं. They have enough fruits. They have enough chocolates. They have enough chocolates. They have enough burgers. उनके पास काफ़ी चॉकलेट हैं. They have enough burgers. उनके पास काफ़ी बर्गर हैं. Enough means according to the requirements. Enough food, enough chocolates, enough burgers. According to the requirements, as much as they require. So as much as means enough. Enough. They have enough fruits. They have enough fruits. उनके पास काफ़ी फल हैं. A beautiful sentence, and it indicates, it denotes the adverb of quantity. Enough. Enough. They have enough fruits. They have enough chocolates. They have enough burgers. They have enough sandwiches. They have enough drinks. So this enough can be used many ways, and it means as much as required to the according to the requirement. Required to the requirements, as much as required according to the requirements. So they have enough fruits. They have enough fruits. उनके पास काफ़ी फल हैं. They have enough sweets. उनके पास काफ़ी sweets हैं. They have enough chocolates. उनके पास काफ़ी chocolates हैं. They have enough sandwiches. उनके पास काफ़ी sandwiches हैं. गुंजाइश के मुताबिक किसी भी चीज़ का मिक़दार का गुंजाइश से ज़्यादा होना. As much as. So let's see the next adverb of quantity. आइए अगले adverb of quantity की तरफ चलते हैं. Next one is little. Little means नाकाफी. Little means थोड़ा सा, नाकाफी. In a very minute quantity, very little quantity. Little means नाकाफी. Little means नाकाफी, not enough. Not enough. Little means not enough. Not enough. So the sentence is there is a little tea. 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 वहाँ पे चाय थोड़ी सी है. चाय थोड़ी सी है. चाय की मिक़दार इंतहाई कलील है. चाय कलील मिक़दार में है. There is a little tea. There is a little tea in the kettle. There is a little tea in the kettle. चायदानी में, टी पॉट के अंदर जो चाय है वो इंतहाई कलील मिक़दार है. Very little quantity. There is a little tea. There is a little tea in a teapot. There is a little tea teapot. टीपॉट के अंदर चाय के बर्तन में इंतहाई कलील मिकदार में चाय है. There is a little tea. वहाँ पे नाकाफी चाय है. There is a little tea in the teapot. There is a little tea in the teapot. चायदानी में नाकाफी चाय है. यानी गुंजाइश से बहुत कम, गुंजाइश से इंतहाई कम मिकदार में जो है वो चाय है. There is a little tea in the teapot. There is a little tea in the teapot. There is a little tea in the teapot. वहाँ नाकाफी चाय है. वहाँ चायदानी में नाकाफी चाय है. चायदानी में नाकाफी चाय है. A beautiful phrase denoting the adverb of quantity. Little. Let's see the next sentence. You see the much. Much means more. ज़्यादा. Much means ज़्यादा. There is much noise. There is much noise. वहाँ पे ज़्यादा शोर है. There is much noise. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शोर है. Much means ज़्यादा. Much is also an adverb of quantity. It's also an adverb of quantity. So there is much noise. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शोर है. Much is showing the velocity of noise. So there is much noise. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शोर है. There is much noise. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शोर है. There is much water in the pond. तालाब में ज़्यादा पानी है. There is much water in the pond. तालाब में ज़्यादा पानी है. There is much water in the pond. तालाब में ज़्यादा पानी है. So there is much noise. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शोर है. There is much noise. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शोर है. Much is also an adverb of quantity. It tells the amount of something, the amount or ratio of something, the velocity of something, the pitch of something. So there is much noise. In the classroom. कमरा जमात में ज़्यादा शोर है. So there is much noise. वहाँ पर ज़्यादा शोर है. And you may say that there is much water in the pond. तालाब में ज़्यादा पानी है. You see, my students, a beautiful phrase and denoting the adverb of quantity much. Now let's proceed to the next adverb of quantity. Again, you see, enough is again here. Enough, more than required, as much as. That is enough, Maria. मारिया ये काफी है. मारिया इतना ही काफी है. That's enough, Maria. 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 When somebody is annoyed of somebody and he wants to stop him to talking much about things, to talking much about the concerned topic. So in that regard, this particular phrase or sentence is used. That is enough, Maria. मारिया इतना ही काफी है. That is enough, Maria. मारिया इतना ही काफी है. A beautiful sentence, and this is used as an adverb of quantity. Much is used and an adverb of quantity. Let's move to the next phrase. In this phrase, you see that enough is used. That is enough, Maria. मारिया बस इतना ही काफी है. That is enough, Maria. मारिया बस इतना ही काफी है. In this particular phrase, enough is used as an adverb of quantity. So let's move to the next सेंटेंस। आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस यू सी माय स्टूडेंट्स इज लिटिल। लिटिल इज अगेन, लिटिल मीन ना काफी, इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट, in a very short quantity, in a short quantity, in a very short quantity, in a less quantity. Little means na kafi. So the sentence is the baby has little toys. 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 नन्हे बच्चे के पास ना काफी खिलौने हैं. The baby has little toys. The baby has little toys. नन्हे बच्चे के पास ना काफी खिलौने हैं. You see my students, little is used again as an adverb of quantity. So the baby has little toys. The baby has little toys. The baby has little toys. नन्हे बच्चे के पास ना काफी खिलौने हैं. The baby has little toys. नन्हे बच्चे के पास ना काफी खिलौने हैं. Another beautiful sentence denoting the little, adverb of quantity. The baby has little toys. The baby has little toys. नन्हे बच्चे के पास ना काफी खिलौने हैं. Hey my students, these are very important adverbs of quantity. Memorize these adverbs of quantity and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.